BBNaija season 11 is almost here, and if you are not prepared, you will miss everything. In this video, I'm breaking down the premiere date, the time, the prize money, where to watch it, and what to expect from the new season. I've also put together a full season 10 recap so you're completely up to speed before the new housemate walks in. Stay with me because this video covers everything you need to know. Welcome back to Reality Talk with V, your number one channel for BBNaija commentary and Nigerian reality TV. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on your notification because season 11 content is dropping every single week on this channel. Let's get started with the question everybody's asking right now. When is BBNaija season 11 starting? Based on everything available right now, BBNaija season 11 is expected to premiere on July 26, 2026. Now, MultiChoice has not dropped the fully confirmed date yet, but here is why July 26 makes complete sense. The last 4 BBNaija season all premiered in the final week of July without exception. Season 10 started the same thing, season 9 the same thing. The pattern has been consistent for years. So unless MultiChoice decide to do something completely unexpected, we are looking at July 26. Now, some sources are pointing to July 28 as a possible date. My honest take, it could be a double premiere situation again, where night 1 is July 26 and night 2 follows 2 days later. We saw that with season 10 and it worked really well. We will talk more about that when we get into season 10 recap. The bottom line is simple. If you are not in front of your TV or your phone on the last weekend of July, you will miss the beginning of everything. So mark that date right now. Let's talk about what time it starts and where you can watch it. If season 11 follows the same format as season 10, the premiere show will begin at 7 p.m. WAT, that's West African time, which is Nigerian time. So on premiere night, settle down earlier, get your snacks ready, and be in position by 7 p.m. Do not come and be asking people what happened. Now, where can you watch BBNaija season 11? You have several options on television. You can watch on DSTV channel 198 or GoTV channel 29. If you prefer to stream, you can use my GoTV DSTV app or Showmax. So whether you have a television at home or just your phone, there is no excuse to miss it. One important thing to note is you will need an eligible subscription. You will need an eligible subscription package on DSTV or GoTV to access the BBNaija channel. On DSTV, that means compact and above. On GoTV, you need Jolly package or higher. Sort out your subscription before July 26 so you are not scrambling on premiere nights when everything is happening. Now, let's talk about what everyone is really paying attention. The prize money. The grand prize for BBNaija season 11 is 150 million. That is the same prize pool at season 10. Now, the 150 million is not just a single cash payment. It's usually broken down into a cash component, a brand new car, and a package of reward from the brands that sponsored the show. For season 10, the winner walked away with 80 million in cash, a brand new Innocent SUV, an additional sponsor gift that brought the total package to 150 million. Now, here is a question worth thinking about. Will MultiChoice increase the price for season 11? Season 10 was the 10th anniversary edition, so they had extra motivation to go all out. Some people feel season 11 might be slightly scaled back. Others believe MultiChoice will keep raising the bar every year to maintain excitement, right? My personal take is I think the 150 million stay the same. The sponsored rewards may change depending on which brand signs on this year. Either way, whoever wins season 11 is going home with life-changing money, and that's what keeps Nigeria watching every single week. Let's talk about season 11 team because this is something people are genuinely curious about. They are curious to know. The team has not been announced, and honestly, it is never before the show starts. MultiChoice always save that team before premiere night. That has been the tradition for several seasons now, and it works because it builds anticipation. After season 10 was called 10/10 to celebrate their 10th anniversary of the show, season 11 has a lot to live up to. The 10/10 team was special because it was a milestone movement. So season 11 doesn't have the same anniversary angle. So MultiChoice will need to come up with something fresh and exciting to capture the same energy. I want to hear your prediction. What do you think the season 11 team will be? Drop it in the comments right now, and if you guess correctly before the premiere, I will give you a shout out in my premiere night video. It's a promise. Now let's get into season 10 recap because you need this content before season 11 begins. Whether you watched every moment or you are just catching up now, this breakdown will get you fully up to speed. BBNaija season 10 was called 10 over 10. It was premiered on July 26, 2025, and it was designed to celebrate 10 years of Big Brother Naija. Multichoice went all out for this season in a way that they had never done it before. They brought in 29 housemates, the largest cast in the entire history of the show, and they used a double premium format. Night 1 on July 26 introduced the female housemates. Night 2 on July 27 introduced the male housemates. It was bold move and it created twice the excitement and the excitement conversation online. Like from the very first night, it was clear that season 10 was going to be different. The energy was high, the personalities were strong, and the competition started immediately like their formats. So season 10 changed how the game was played in a way that kept viewers engaged from start to finish. The first was the head of house format was completely restructured. In previous season, the head of house challenge happens once, and that determines leadership for the week. But in season 10, they split it into two separate moments. Sunday night determined who had temporary leadership. Then Monday brought a follow-up challenge that could completely change the outcome. And here is what made it intense. Whoever finishes last in the head of house challenge was automatically placed off for possible eviction. So it was not just about winning. Losing had real and immediate consequences. Second, Big introduced something called Bag of Big Twists. The head of house controlled this bag, which contains different game-changing powers that nobody knew about until they were opened. It kept the power dynamic unpredictable throughout the entire season. So the third one there was the red cell phone. This became one of the most talked about elements of the season 10. The phone will ring at completely random time and Biggie will give instruction directly to the housemate. Sometimes unexpected, sometimes challenging, sometimes entertaining. Like nobody even knew when it will ring, and the element of this surprise kept everyone on the edges all the season. And finally, the influential player of the week was introduced. This was a separate recognition from head of house that rewarded strategy gameplay. It added another layer to competition beyond just physical challenge. About the winner of season 10, Imisi, she won BBNaija season 10 with 42.84% of public votes. She beat 9 other finalists in the grand finale, including Dede Koyin, Sultana, Kola Jesenje, Mensa, Isabella, and Kebobo. 42.84% is not a small number. That's a dominant result. It means nearly half of everyone who voted chose Imisi, and that made her stand out. So Imisi was consistent from the one to finale. The person Nigeria saw in week 1 was the same person they saw in week 10. She did not adjust her character based on who was watching or what was trending. She built genuine connection. She delivered intact, and when she had challenging moments, she used her diary room section to give contents and show a more thoughtful side of herself. She also has something that is genuinely rare in BBNaija, like her ability that felt real. Viewers can always sense when someone is performing for the camera. Imisi did not feel that way, and that authenticity translated directly into public votes. Her win asked her name to a list that included Mesike, Likon, White Money, Fina, and Ilibaye. Each of those winners had a genuine quality that connected with the audience. Imisi fits right into that group. So now the question everyone is asking, what does season 11 needs to do to match or go beyond season 10?
And that is everything. Your complete season 11 preview and your full season 10 recap all in one video. So as soon as multi-choice drops any new information, the confirmed date, the team, the housemate, I'll be back immediately with an update video so you are always first to know. Make sure you subscribe right now and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video from the channel, from this channel. Season 11 content is coming every week and you do not want to be left behind. Now, tell me in the comments, do you think season 11 can go beyond season 10? And what is that one thing you want to see in this new season that we've never seen before? Drop it below. I read every single comment. See you in the next video. If you love BBNaija commentary and Nigeria entertainment, you are in the right place. I'm Ray, and on this channel, I break down everything happening in BBNaija every single week. Housemate analysis, eviction reactions, predictions, and all dramas. Season 11 is almost there, and we are going to cover every single moment together. Subscribe now so you never miss a video. See you inside.